Okay, so here I'm just going to show you how if you want to replace the heating pump on a Skoda Octavia 2015. This is the pump that you need to replace, and you basically just need to take out the wheel, take out the inner protecting plastic part of the wheel with a few bolts. I'll show you here. So you just need to screw them, take out those screws basically, and then take out the plastic holder, and then you can access the pump. You can access everything here. I've seen other videos from YouTube, and they want you to disconnect like the entire front of the car, but that's not necessary. You can just go in here, replace that, and it's super easy work. You can do it even though you're not like a super mechanic. In order to stop the cooling fluid to leak out when I replace the pump, I used a clamp to turn off that possibility, and it worked fine. This is an extremely easy thing to do, and you will save loads of money, and you will get a working car with a nice heater again. So I would really recommend it.